We all know the traditional. You gotta have your class rules, you gotta have your rewards, you gotta have your consequences. All of those things are great. Those are the things that we learned when we were in school. Well, one of the things that I found to be very, very efficient for me as a teacher is to teach children how to manage themselves and to work together in groups, where a lot of the things that I have to say as a teacher, I don't have to say it, because the students have roles and they understand their roles within the group, within the class, and as an individual. So when I look at classroom management, I look at it three ways. I look at it as an individual student, you're responsible for yourself. I look at it as a group. You work together with a group of girls every day, and you all are responsible for each other. And I look at it from a holistic perspective, where we are a class, this is our room, I tell them, this is your second home away from home. So everything we do together, we do it as a class. Once again, the goal is to get students to manage themselves. I promise you, once students learn what their roles and responsibilities are in the class, you will not be as tired as you would be as if they didn't know what they were supposed to do. So once students know the expectations, once they know what their role is, you go home a little bit and you can relax a little bit, and you might have time to go out and do that jog or go to the gym or work out or do yoga, have that little energy left over.